You are going to love the 2015 Altima. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, power mirrors, traction control, remote keyless entry, power sunroof. Inside you'll find backup camera, leather upholstery, heated seats, heated steering wheel, satellite radio, steering wheel audio controls, push button start, MP3 player, cruise control, trip computer. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.